Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Power Automate templates for app-to-app automation step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft Power Automate website. Log in using your Microsoft account. Once logged in, look for the Templates section in the navigation menu. Click on Templates to explore available automation templates. Use the search bar to find specific templates related to app-to-app automation. Filter the results by category if needed for easier navigation. Select a template that suits your automation needs. Once you click on it, you will see a detailed view of the template. Examine the actions and connections that the template will use. If you're satisfied with the template, click on the Use this template button. You will be prompted to sign in to the various connected apps if you haven't done so already. Authorize the necessary permissions for the apps involved in the automation. You will then be guided to customize the specific fields within the template. Adjust any parameters to tailor the automation to your requirements. After customization, click on the Create Flow button. Your app-to-app automation will now be set up. You can test the flow to ensure everything works as expected. If any adjustments are necessary, navigate back to the flow settings. Feel free to revisit the template library to explore more options in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.